Howdy partner. So you want a quick review and learn how to install BokiHuk string lights? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to quickly install some string lights up high around our patio here, as well as give you a review. Our friends at BokiHuk sent us two sets of string lights that are 120 feet long each. So these are really long sets, which is nice for our space. They're completely waterproof and snowproof and windproof and all that. And they're LED, so we have two different shapes and sizes. We have a G40, which is a round light here. And you can see that they're plastic and LED and durable. And then we also have this other one, which I believe is an ST38, which is a little more elongated. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we're going to get these installed in our patio. We're going to do inside here today, and then also do a review of what we think of this product. Be sure to stay tuned as we take you step by step and show you some pointers and tricks to get this job done yourself. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and check out a bunch more home how-to videos with a focus on outdoor living. The way we're going to attach these today is going to be by using these O-ring, eyelet, whatever they're called, screw thingies. If you know the name of these, put it in the comments below. I know that there's all different names for these, but we got these on Amazon. I'll link them in the description as well as the lights. So you can use a command strip and just kind of stick this on to a temporary solution, but we're going to keep these out here forever, so we want to do a little more of a hardware solution. So we bought a pack of these. You're going to get a drill bit. You want to get a drill bit that's just slightly smaller in diameter than the eyelet that you have here, than the screw in. So you take that, and then you want to figure out how tight you want your lights to be. So the ones we're going to do up top, we're going to keep them pretty tight, and we're going to space out a grip spot about every 4 to 5 feet. So what we're going to do here is we're counting 10 of these sections of the vinyl ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going about an inch off the wall. We're going to go ahead and give it a little drill. And then you should be able to just by hand line up your screw thing there. You can get ones with hooks if you wanted to, or the complete circle. With the complete circle, we have one step left, and that's going to be to attach it to the string lights using a cable tie or one of these small 4-inch electrical cable tie. So this will work really well. You can also, like I said, you can use one that's just kind of a hook and just hook the lines on it. We're going to knock out the rest of these, and I'll show you how it all goes. As you can see, we've got all of those O-rings attached all the way around the patio. It's about 400 square feet. It took just about 15-20 minutes, so pretty fast. And now we're going to start hanging the lights. When you get started, you want to start where it's going to plug in a wall to make sure you have enough length to go all the way around. Now this one with these ST38s is 120 feet. The other ones that we have with the G40 round bulbs we're putting up top are actually two 60-foot strands. But you can connect multiple into plugs. And this is a little trick. This is just a switch outlet. I'll go ahead and link something similar as well. But what's nice is once you figure out where it's going to start at, you can plug this into the wall, and you can plug this in, and then you don't have to unplug it every time. You just hit the switch, and it's as if it's on a switch. If that outlet is not already on a switch, that fixes it. So we're going to start up in the corner, start attaching them on, and show you how it's done. To attach them, you're just going to take one of those cable ties. You're going to loop it through your O-ring thinger. You're going to push it through. We have the power on, but you would probably want to do this with the power off. So you want to figure out how tight you want them when you're doing this, and then you could just attach it to either the string or the light. And then, again, be very careful not to clip the wire, and you need the power off. You're just going to clip that off. We just keep that process going. We've gotten half of it done. We'll be done in just a jiffy. Well, we are all done, and it looks great. This little round of lights that we did around the top of the patio really sets it off. It's really personal preference on whether you like those round bulbs or these longer ones. But overall, a review of this product, I'd say it's pretty good quality. This is not one of those super heavy-duty rubberized ones that you might see. And when you have those two need a cable, like a guide cable, and they're a little heavier. This one's nice because it's a little lighter weight, and you can hang it with less hardware. But it still should do really well here. Came with some extra bulbs. There's great light. Very well done. Let's turn it back on. All right. And, overall, very happy. I'm always nervous with these brand deals, but BokiHuk keeps coming through with some really nice stuff. So if you appreciate this video, again, please like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Check it in the comments box for all the tools to do this job yourself. Remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.